Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your video that you want to edit, and for example, I already have one video here and I will try to remove the person in the video. So how to? So first, just copy the video, select the video and just select copy and make it as an overlay. So select the overlay, so click overlay and adjust the video. Okay, so after done, select the video overlay and go to mask, select mask. Okay, select mask and select circle. So here you can select symbol on the video. For example, select this and then just click check mark. So you can move the masking layer and mask the object to be removed. So like this. Okay, you can adjust the size and just adjust it until you get the best result, and I think this is enough. And see the result. So this is the final result. Okay, that's it. Even though it's not perfect, but it's not bad. So that's how you can remove the object from your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.